Today, I'm gonna be trying everything you're too scared to try. Okay, I'm just kidding. Or am I? Hey everyone, it's me, Sadrina, and welcome back to my channel. I have a bunch of products here. I've gone to Target, Five Below, and Dollar Tree, and got a whole bunch of dupes to try for you guys today. So if you guys are excited for today's video, please make sure to give it a like, and now let's get into it. As you can see, my face is bare. I barely have anything on. The first product I try definitely has to be one of these spray hand sanitizers, so we can keep everything clean, fresh, and nice and sanitized. I don't know which one though, Dollar Tree or Five Below? Dollar Tree is 1, Five Below is 2. Pick a number between 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
I don't know if you guys could see, but she picked 1. So we're gonna use the Dollar Tree lemon. A Lululemon! Hopefully it smells good. Nope. Wait, I was actually really excited for this spray, but I feel like it's not enough. I'm just so used to the squeezable kind of hand sanitizer. I feel like I'm not getting enough. It smells like lemon candy. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be the lemony cleaning scent or sweet lemon scent, but it's definitely like lemon candy. Okay, that's nice. But how well does this clean? 70% alcohol. I feel like this was supposed to be a dupe for the Touchlands hand sanitizer, but first of all, I couldn't find actual Dollar Tree dupe version with the Touchlands hand sanitizer container. So this was just the next best option. It was nice, it was alright, but nothing crazy. Next, also from Dollar Tree, we have all of the 3 serums. I have the Glow Up Smoothing Serum, the Glow Up Renewing Serum, and the Glow Up Revitalizing Serum. Let's go ahead and take these out. Look at how cute these are. I just feel like the packaging is so adorable. Glow Recipe Serum dupes. Let's see what these are giving. Just for you guys, I will be trying all 3 on my face, but on different sections, because I'm a little nervous to mix them. Why did I expect these to have a pump? Hello? Does it have a pump? I don't understand this. Did I pull the pump off, or that's just... It looks like it's supposed to have a pump, but this is just a pump attached to the cap. Maybe if I try to pull it apart, I don't know if this is just stuck. Oh! Okay, wait, I'm breaking it. I don't understand. Let's check TikTok. The pumps are stuck. How am I supposed to get them out? Yeah, I think they're just jammed up there, guys. There's not too much I can do about this. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to put it directly on my face, but let's put 1 swipe of the strawberry. Avocado, ooh, that one's really milky. And pomegranate. I'm literally gonna have a smoothie on my face. This smells grape-like. Maybe I'm just not too familiar with pomegranate though. Strawberry smells like strawberry candy a bit. Avocate doesn't smell like anything to me. Let's rub that in. All right. Praying for my skin, hoping it's okay after this. But usually Dollar Tree products work just fine. The avocado one felt the best on my skin. They do kind of feel like the Glow Recipe Serum, but maybe a little bit less moisturizing and glowy. I don't know if I just didn't put enough. I can't review on how well they perform since I literally just put it on a few seconds ago. It feels good, and if you're trying to just feel pampered up for the day with some cutesy looking skincare products, maybe this is the way to go. If any of you guys have actually reviewed this and seen how it affects your skin, and let me know in the comments down below. It's finally time for us to use the Drunk Elephant dupe. The one, the only moisturizer with the pump. This is the Danny Beauty Moisturizing Night Cream. Rose Water Peptides, okay. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited for this. Oh, I guess I gotta work it up a little bit. Oh, okay. Let's get another pump. Oh, okay, let's stop. Is it scented? Doesn't smell like anything, actually. Ooh. Okay, wait. Yeah, this is definitely for nighttime. It's really nice and thick. Oh, yeah. Wait, this is a really nice cream, guys. I love this. For a dupe from Five Below, I'm impressed. I'm all for moisturizing, keeping your face nice and plumped up. No dry skin here. This 8. I really like this already. I do wish there was like a cuter pump though. It's not bad. It kind of comes out in 3. I feel like the Drunk Elephant one pumps out a little bit cuter, but not bad, not bad. And you guys already know you can pour in some serums, bronzing drops, whatever you want. It's supposed to give that same feel as Drunk Elephant, but just cheaper. I got this for $5. And it's so cute. I feel like this is worth it. This is already my fave product I've reviewed so far. If you guys are looking for a Drunk Elephant dupe, check out Five Below. I also have videos where I shop for all of these products, so make sure to check those out after this one if you haven't yet. My lips are actually feeling a bit dry, so I think it's time to try out a lip product. Ooh, and from Target, I have this Vitamask Lip Butter balm. Lip butter balm. And this is their new flavor. I like how they say flavor instead of scent. That's kind of funny. This is caramel. It's a sheer nude pink tint. I'm super excited for this. This packaging is so cute. I'm sad to see it go, but I usually don't try out a lot of nude pink lip looks, so let's see. This was pretty affordable. I think it was under $5. It's giving me road vibes. Okay, I'm smelling a little caramel. It's a lot less opaque and less pigmented than I anticipated it to be. It definitely does have that really creamy, buttery, moisturizing feel. So love that. The caramel scent smells like caramel and a little bit of vanilla, which I like. It's not super strong. So if you're someone who likes a really strong scented lip balm, I would say go for something like Summer Fridays. But if you want something that's there, but a little more subtle, this will do it. My only fear is that there's not enough product in here. This is a very skinny tube. I want it to be a little thicker and have more product. And also I want a little bit more of a tint. They do say it's sheer though, which it is. So I guess it's not false advertising. This is definitely an everyday. I would use this every day. Okay, that's a pretty little lip balm. Very nice. It's also a tad bit glossy, as you can see. Love, love. From Five Below, I got this daily facial spray. I don't know, I regret not trying this first because now I already have stuff on my face. Anyways, I just need to see if this will be a good, affordable replacement for my Tower 28 spray. Oh, wait, why is it scented? Hold on. What is in this? I don't know. I'm spraying it and it's not going where I'm trying to spray it. What's going on with this? Okay. It has a nice misty spray. It's not the same as the Tower 28. I'm not even going to lie. The way the spray bottle is made, it's more of a direct spray and it's not dispersing as much as the Tower 28. Maybe I just don't know how to use this right, but I feel like only the bottom of my face got covered. It has kind of a nice refreshing scent to it. Will it help soothe my skin, clear up some bumps? I don't know. I also heard that these kinds of sprays are basically made to, I don't even want to say break down, but take off everything that you have that shouldn't be on your skin. So it's not good to use it with other products. Now all the other products I put on my face are going to deactivate because I sprayed this, but it's okay. I don't think I like it as much as my Tower 28 spray. You know what though? When my Tower 28 spray runs out, if this is actually a good product, I could refill my bottle with this. I'm not even gonna lie. Sadly, I have to wipe off my Vitamatiques lip balm because we have a bunch of Summer Fridays lip balm dupes from Five Below. If you guys are consistent viewers on my channel, which if you are, thank you. I actually use these for my Jumbo Elf lip gloss, but I just put them in there. I didn't try them directly on my lips. I did see a review from someone saying that they are a lot more oily than the Summer Fridays, and I do agree because I recognized that when I was putting it in my Elf Halo Glow tube. You can't tell me that these don't look so similar to Summer Fridays though. The shades, the packaging, everything. They're sticky tacked into the packaging. Let's see, which color should I use? Let's try this bright red. No lip liner, no nothing. Oh, the applicator is really hard. It's not squishy and bendy like the Summer Fridays one. Let's try this. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. Yeah, it's like a lip oil. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at my lips. What kind of application? It's not applying evenly. Smells like fruit punch. Let's smooth it out, clean it up. All right. It's a little bit less red than I expected it to be. It's more of a neon kind of color, which I don't know if I really like, but it does feel moisturizing. There's just something I don't like about this. I don't know. It's not as thick as I want it to be, and I feel like it was too much work for me to get it to look nice. This, I'd be nervous to apply it without a mirror. But let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance. Without comparing it, this is a nice lip product. Let's try another one just to see. Oh, I just wiped that off and now my lips feel greasy. What is going on? The two times that I've bought a Summer Fridays lip balm, I got the brown sugar and the iced coffee. I loved both of them. Smells so good. And the brown sugar has such a pretty brown tint to it. So let's see if this dupe can imitate that well. It looks like mauve. Are these all scented the same? Okay. Oh, I think I put too much. Okay. Let me clean it up. Look at me and tell me I look great with this. Okay, this is not brown like I expected. It's actually a purple color, and I can see that looking at the packaging more now. And I actually like purple, but I don't really get a lot of purple lip products. It definitely looks a little bit different on camera, but I'm not a huge fan of this lip look. The application of this is just not as satisfying as I want it to be. It only feels good. It's nice and creamy, buttery, everything, a little oily. It only feels that way once it's fully there and you fix it up a little bit, but it's just messy. It's a little bit too hard to deal with. Then again, you are literally getting 5 different lip balms for $5. So these are each $1. I don't like giving bad reviews, especially when I feel like the product is trying. I'm gonna say it's okay. It's definitely not bad. If I had nothing else, I would use it. I do like the Vitamask lip balm better and the actual real product, the Summer Fridays lip balm better as well. I think it's because I love lip products so much and I've tried a good amount of them. I'm a little bit picky. I don't think this is the best lip balm option out there, and that's okay. It'll do, but there's better. I actually rather go with the real thing rather than the dupe this time. I'm putting the Vitamasks back on. Our last 2 products to try are both from Five Below. We have the Fresh Linen Spray Hand Sanitizer and then the Strawberry Hydrating Body Butter. What does Fresh Linen smell like? We're about to find out. Oh, why is the packaging so like messy and sticky? This was literally in a plastic wrap. I don't get it. What kind of manufacturing? I don't know if you guys can see that sticky residue on the outside. I don't know. That's interesting for a freshly new product. Oh well, it's still super cute. What? Okay. Okay. It does smell like fresh laundry. I don't know if I like that though. I don't know if I want that scent on my skin. It's like a teeny bit floral. It's not bad, but yeah, I kind of smell like detergent. I was expecting more of a light, powdery, fresh scent. It's definitely just laundry. I think I like the lemon scent more than this. What do you guys think? Oh, wait, I got it. Good as new. I haven't tried the actual Touchland sanitizer yet though, so I can't really compare it to that. There are probably better scents for this. Now the strawberry moisturizer. This looks thick. I'm excited to find out if it's actually as thick as it looks. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a thick one. Look at that product. I think I have way too much. Oh, it kind of just melted in though, even though it's thick. It kind of smells like a strawberry chupa chup, if you know what that is. It did what it needed to do, and I like the scent, surprisingly. This is actually pretty good for $1. I'm not mad at it. To be honest, I like this more than the Sol de Janeiro Jet Set Bum Bum Cream that I got. For some reason, the scent is just not my favorite. Something is a little bit off about it. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Alright guys, that is it for today's review video. Can you guys guess which products were my faves? Definitely the Danny Beauty Moisturizing Night Cream. I loved how fun it was to use the applicator. And the actual moisturizer itself does nourish and hydrate like it says. Felt really good on my skin. I like that it's not scented. Usually for my moisturizers, I don't want them to be scented. And then of course the Caramel Vitamask Lip Balm. Super cute. It's not really tinted at all, but I liked the scent and how it feels on my lips. Plus it gives me a little bit of gloss even though it's a lip balm. I enjoyed using it and I think I would buy it again. My least favorite products, definitely these lip butter balms from Five Below and then this Fresh Linen Spray Hand Sanitizer. But let me know which one of these products you guys want to try in the comments. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.